In this tutorial we would like to show you around the portal of MindExpress. Here you can view and open all of the page sets you have chosen and created. Open your portal by clicking on your profile picture. You can compare the portal with the home screen of your smartphone. Here you can see three important elements. Your page sets, clicking on one will open it. Navigation arrows that allow you to navigate around your portal, and the menu button. Let's briefly go over the menu together. Here you can create new page sets. Please watch our other two tutorials on how to create a grid page set and how to create a freestyle page set. Organize means that you can manage the page sets in your portal. When you click this, you enter the edit view of the portal. You will see white dotted lines indicating where you can place page sets. You can move page sets from one page to another. You can't edit the places, but as you can see in this portal, not every cell has to be filled. You can edit, duplicate, and delete page sets. You can also create a folder by clicking on an empty cell. Now you can drag and drop your page sets into the folder. You can always drag page sets out of your folder. From the main menu, you can quickly change your access method. If you want to hide the menu bar at the top of the screen, choose Full Screen in the menu. If you want to show the menu bar again, press Escape on your keyboard or dedicated Escape button on your Jabbla device. You can also import page sets into your portal. You can choose from ready-to-use page sets such as symbol and text-based vocabularies, games, educational files, and apps such as email. You can also choose page sets from disk. You can also import vocabularies from other software, page sets from another user, or directly from the MindExpress website. On the website you can search for specific items and, thanks to the brief description, decide if it's something useful for you. You can also export your files to be able to import into other devices running MindExpress. The Settings button contains many other options such as adapting your profile, customize the different access methods, connecting to a mobile phone, email and environmental controls. These are all covered in more detail in other help topics. At the bottom of the main menu, you will see a button to change users and the online help button. This takes you directly to the interactive manual. It has a useful search feature. Type in what you want to know and select the search button to see the results. Select the relevant result and then close the window when you have found your answer. There you go, we are at the end of the portal tour. In this tutorial you have become acquainted with all the functions in the portal.